Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up Google Pixel tracking in your Shopify store using Delta Pixel 2.0. Step 1. Open the Delta Pixel app. First, log into your Shopify admin and open the Delta Pixel app. Step 2. Set up Google Pixel. In the Delta Pixel dashboard, click on Create Google Pixel tab. Now click Connect Google Account and log in with the Google account that manages your Google Ads or Google Tag Manager. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Delta Pixel to send events from your Shopify store. Step 3. Select Google Ads account. Once permissions are granted, the Google Pixel tab will appear with available options. From the drop-down, select the Google Ads account you want to connect. Step 4. Set up conversion events. After connecting your account, go to the Conversion Setup page. Here, you'll see a list of standard events you can enable. Make sure to enable all key conversions, including Purchase. Tracks when a transaction is successfully completed. Begin checkout. Tracks when a customer starts the checkout process. Add to basket. Tracks when a product is added to cart. Page view. Tracks when someone visits any page. These are essential for campaign optimization and accurate reporting in Google Ads. Toggle them all on to ensure complete event tracking. Your Google Pixel is now live and tracking Shopify store events using Delta Pixel 2.0. Click on Go to Pixels. In the Edit Google Pixel screen, you'll see a list of standard Google Ads conversions. Click on the drop-down to select an existing conversion action or choose Create New Conversion. Repeat this process for each event. Make sure all essential conversions are active. Step 5. Google Analytics integration. At the bottom of the Edit screen, you'll find the Google Analytics section. Enter your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID here to start sending Pixel event data to GA4. Once done, click Save to finalize the setup. Step 6. View Performance Analytics. After setup, go to the Pixel Performance section in the Delta Pixel dashboard. Here you'll see a breakdown of events tracked, product views, add to carts, checkouts purchases, total revenue. The right-hand side shows a visual analytics report with a chart displaying event distribution. You can click Refresh to sync real-time data. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Pixel tracking in Delta Pixel 2.0. Thanks for watching.